This tutorial focuses on the addition and calling operations of screenless access control terminals. Please note that the screenless access control terminal must be connected to a network cable, and the central control panel and the access control terminal must be on the same local area network LAN. First, we search for and record the information of the screenless access control terminal. Operate on the central control panel. Swipe down the notification bar at the top. Tap App to enter, then tap Smart Access. Next, tap the settings icon in the upper right corner and select Flat Station at the bottom of the menu. The panel automatically scans for screenless access control devices on the LAN. Tap the searched screenless access control terminal to enter and record the relevant information of the access control terminal. Next, add the access control terminal to the central control panel. Return to the access control menu on the central control panel and tap Local Settings, Addresses, and Add in Sequence. On the Device Information Filling interface, select Smart Host for device type. Then fill in the previously recorded code and IP address. And finally, tap Save to complete the Access Control Terminal Information Addition. At this point, you can call the Access Control Terminal and view the video surveillance outside the door on the central control panel. Then set up the Access Control Terminal to call the central control panel. Enter the menu interface of the Access Control Terminal and tap Call Set. Then fill in the corresponding information of the central control panel in Group and Room. After completing the information entry, press the Call button on the Access Control Terminal to connect to the central control panel. Below is how to add an IC access card. Access the Flat Station interface on the central control panel. Select Card Manage from the Access Control Terminal menu, then choose Add Card. At this point, place the IC card on the designated card swiping area of the Access Control Terminal and wait for the addition to be completed. Finally, you need to set a fixed static IP for the screenless access control. Access the Flat Station interface. Select Network Setting from the Access Control Terminal menu. Then choose Static and click Save to complete the setup. Note, the system defaults to DHCP mode. The above is the complete operation guide for the addition, calling, IC card enrollment, and static IP configuration of the screenless access control.